Russell Westbrook lets his career speak for itself after retirement. Russell Westbrook has officially closed the book on an extraordinary 18-year NBA career. And perhaps the most fitting part of his farewell was that he did not need a long explanation to define what he accomplished. At 37, Westbrook leaves basketball as one of the most recognizable and influential guards of his generation. His career was built around intensity, athleticism, fearless attacking, and a relentless desire to compete. The numbers tell a remarkable story. Westbrook finished with 209 career triple-doubles, the most in NBA history. During the 2016-17 season, he produced one of the greatest individual campaigns ever seen, averaging a triple-double and winning the NBA MVP award. He also became a 9-time All-Star and earned a place on the NBA's 75th anniversary team. But Westbrook's legacy goes beyond statistics. From his early years with the Oklahoma City Thunder to his later stops in Houston, Washington, Los Angeles, Denver, and Sacramento, he remained one of basketball's most passionate competitors. His career included an NBA Finals appearance, an Olympic gold medal, and countless unforgettable performances. His retirement announcement was delivered through a reflective video, allowing the moments of his career to carry much of the message. Rather than simply listing achievements, the presentation looked back at the journey that made Westbrook who he became. That approach feels appropriate for a player whose actions often spoke louder than words. Westbrook played with an unmistakable edge. Whether he was attacking the basket, chasing a rebound, or creating an opportunity for a teammate, his energy was rarely in doubt. Even when criticism followed him, he continued to play the game with the same confidence and determination. Now the final chapter has arrived. Westbrook retires among the NBA's all-time leaders in scoring and assists, while holding the league's triple-double record. His career may not include an NBA championship, but his influence on the game cannot be measured by one trophy. For nearly 2 decades, Russell Westbrook gave basketball fans intensity, emotion, spectacular performances, and a level of competitiveness that became his trademark. And in the end, his defining actions did the talking for him.